come on. Yeah, he's good.
My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell! Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit. Well, see for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please!
He went this way. No, that way. Wait. Okay, say hello. Goodbye.
This is curious.
He went this way. Lost perchance? I'm not sure where I am either. You could try this way.
Always the top. So let the paint be spread. Get ready, the nose is ready. And then it's here we shed. Because we know.
Her Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.